Hi, let's talk about MoSys. It's a company together with its subsidiaries operates as a semiconductor company in North America, Japan, Taiwan, and internationally. The market cap of the company is over 23 million, and based on simple Wall Street is not meaningful. There's a high volatile share price, and also shareholders have been substantially diluted in the past year. But anyway, last share price went pretty much up since the latest updates, and as we can see here, market performance week 25% up, 1 year return almost 160, and by the way, today is raising 35% only in this trading day. And yeah, of course it beats the industry and the market, but long-term price volatility is on the highest level, so be aware of that. Valuation side, neither the simple Wall Street nor the tip ranks has no price targets, but luckily for us there's a market watch which has stock price target currently at average of $20 per share, so there's a quite upside still is some kind of upside over, like it could fourfold this amount. And as we can see, long term it's pretty much uptrending. Short term it's going down, and there was few days that the volumes are very high currently, 72 million. So I think somebody is buying this big time, and I think that the support level is around $3 per share. That would be, of course, great price to enter. So this is also the line which is pretty good too, 355, but I'm not sure if we would see those numbers like in the future, maybe in the long term, but the short term looking that somebody is loading up and hugely. Let's have a look at the future growth is forecasted, not for the company but the semiconductors industry that they're working in, 15%, which is pretty nice, and past performance, so companies historical annual growth increased by 33%. So as we can see, the company is currently unprofitable, and the earnings from the past years are decreasing. The EPS is on the minus side, so it's going to the positive side, and there's a revenue around 6 and 7 million. And on the financial health side, we see here that the equity was decreasing like significantly. There were moments that the depth were covering the equity level, which is not so good, but currently its debt to equity ratio is 5%. It's considered satisfactory. So they lowered the depth, and they do have quite high the level of equity, 11 million, and they do also have cash, 11 million, so they could easily cover the depth. As we can see, balance sheet, so little dot there, red, they are not paying dividends. And on ownership side, we see here that there's on both side companies have been trading. So buying, so this is pretty much the thing that I don't understand. So they brought stock, for example, March 2nd on 1,200 shares, 550. It's okay. That is so there's a company trading trading the stock, Anyway, ownership breakdown: general public holding 73%, institutions less than 10, VC peer firms 8.1, hedge funds 8.1, and insiders less than 1%. Top shareholders pretty much increasing. Vanguard Group increased 350 almost percent. Last reporting holding date 31st of March. So I think these companies are loading up and big. And yeah, BlackRock is also here. So yeah, only one company decreased. Sabi Management 41% decreased. Last reporting holding date last year. As you can see, it's pretty volatile. So if you got the chance entered less than $4, I could, like, yeah, congratulations to you, but I do recommend only invest in long term, only in quality stocks. And by quality stocks I mean that usually we see 1 year frame, but if we open up 5 year, so there were 5 year ago 150, and currently your capital will be minus 96. So mostly volatile share price are looking like this. So be aware, don't invest more than 1% of your portfolio in any stock. 1 to 3, maximum 5%. Simple safe dividend shows that, yeah, as I said, the earnings per share is going to positive side, but here's the bad thing: shares outstanding, so they keep increasing significantly. At the same time, total sales are decreasing. So this is the mostly this caused this downtrend. So if they put just shares outstanding, total sales are decreasing. Yeah, so be aware of that. Investing.com summarizing the stock for long-term investors as a strong buy. By technical indicators, strong buy, but summarizing as a buy, and moving average neutral. And let's read some of the comments. May 13th, the enclosures of the gods that you've entered, and this by the horror of the shining light. So these guys are just spamming here. Target 100% will reach for December 29th. Bye. Ask me why. Just probably, but tell me why. Yeah, so mostly I do recommend to invest long term and in quality stocks that you find from the S&P 500 map. So currently there's a correction going on, and yeah, the semiconductor industry are making well better than average market. And there's also, yeah, applied materials, Lam Research. Yeah, so these companies are making very well currently. There's also Target Corporation. So these are the stocks that mainly usually investors are recommending, because we open up 1 year return. We see here mostly almost every company has been positive return. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in a future one.